This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a power moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a CD player, four-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a home link feature, and a power driver seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.